Good morning, guys. Good morning. I am Shonda, and of course, I inspire nations to grow. So, if you're new to the channel today, I want to welcome you to the Sing Life community. And if you always turn on, you know that I absolutely love you today. Well, listen, on this Motivation Monday, I just wanted to tap in momentarily to let you know that it's time for you to change your baseline. If you know anything about music, you know that the bass line, it kind of keeps the whole song going. It keeps the rhythm going. It keeps the tempo going. It's just like the bass line. And as you think about your day today, my question for you is, what is your baseline? What is your baseline? Let me break it down a little bit further. What is your default setting? What is your default setting? Where does your mind go when things are not going the way that you had intended for them to go? That's your baseline. Where does your mind go when you're triggered in an area that is not quite healed yet? Where does your mind go when you experience resistance in your flow? Because wherever your mind goes, that is your baseline. That is your default setting. And I wanted to tap in on this Motivation Monday to let you know that it is time to be intentional about your baseline. It is time to be intentional about your default setting. If someone hurts your feelings or if something doesn't go your way and the first thought that comes to your mind is you're not good enough or there's something wrong with you or they're just an evil person, or if you've been planting seeds in a certain area of your life and it hadn't yield fruit yet, does your mind go to a point that it says to you that it'll never work? It's just not meant for me to have this good thing. It's not meant for me to live a good life. If you constantly attract into your experience a man or a woman that doesn't really measure up to your ideal of what you should be, do you just declare every man or every woman bad? Or do you look at it in a way to where you can improve who you are, raise your vibrational frequency to really attract what you sincerely do deserve? See, your baseline or your default setting in your mind, it exposes itself when it is met with life's most just challenging things in life. When things happen that don't go the way that you had intended, when you just have done everything right and somehow wrong shows up, what is your default setting? What is your baseline? Because this is the beginning of a new week. This is the beginning of you changing your life, changing your tempo, changing your baseline, changing your default setting. Like every computer, every once in a while, your computer will need to be updated. It would need to be rebooted and reset. So my question for you today is not only what is your baseline, but what is the software and the hard drive that is running your mind today? The hardware can be linked up to different things that can cause it to go in a positive direction. It's an extension of the software. The software is the part of your mind that can't be detected. It's the part of your mind that is linked up to a wireless network of spiritual frequency. And it sends out electromagnetic waves into the depths of your subconscious mind and filters out to your conscious mind to connect to the hard drive that gives you the beat, that gives you your baseline. So as you go about your day today, I want you to be intentional today. And if somebody touches that part of yourself that's triggered, I say trigger is just trauma showing itself. When the mind goes to speaking to you, what is your default setting? And until the next video, guys, peace. Bye now.